Destined Rivals is out, and I haven't had a lot of time to go Pokemon card hunting this weekend, but I did manage to grab 4 packs from my local corner shop, so I thought I'd do a very quick video, open them up, and see what my first impression is of the set. Welcome back, or to PokeMark. First pack here is Cynthia and Garchomp. Now, once again, I haven't actually looked too deeply into the set. I've seen some bits on social media, you know, the people who are far more likely to get cards than I am. But let's have a look. So, brand new code card for you. And energy-wise, this is going to be, sorry about that bit of muck. It looks dodgier than it is, probably. This is going to be fire. Ooh, good start. Good start. So, Team Rocket's Houndour, Misty's Magikarp, Mankey, Team Rocket's Mareep, Medicham, Misty's Psyduck, Team Rocket's Botherbot, Reverse Holo Primeape, Reverse Holo Arvin's Squabbit, and Annihilate. Got the whole evolutionary tree of Mankey up to Annihilate, so that's great. Pack 2, I've got this sort of Team Rocket ensemble there, some Rocket admins, Rocket grunts, and some classic Team Rocket Pokemon like Arbok and Coughing. Code card for you. And this time, it's going to be electric. God, I'm on fire. Relor, nobody wants one of those. Mankey again. Team Rocket's Rattata. Team Rocket's Nidoran Male. Cynthia's Power Weight. Team Rocket's Muck. Arcanine, that's lovely. Team Rocket's Flaffy. Ooh, nice! Team Rocket's Murkrow. Very nice. And Gorobus, because everybody loves Gorobus. Team Rocket's Murkrow. Lovely. Love it. I actually do. Okay, pack number 4. We've got Gold, or Ethan, whatever you want to call him, and Ho-Oh. We're off to a good start, Destined Rivals. There's your code card. And this one's going to be Psychic. Ah, fire again. Okay. Torchic. Team Rocket's Meowth, a legend. Misty's Staryu, another legend, just not in French. Team Rocket's Ekans, another legend. Team Rocket's, what was it? Team Rocket's Petrel, sure. Probopass. Team Rocket's Mimikyu. Reverse Holo Ponyta, that's cute as hell. Reverse Holo Team Rocket's Ariana. And, whoa, what's she called? MC's Hype. Is that a waifu card? I've just got there. MC's Hype. Nice card. Really nice texture too. Texture to her hair, actually, which is cool. And the final pack, am I going to top that? I've got MC's Hype and Team Rocket's Murkrow. My first 4 packs. It's a really good start for Destined Rivals. So, code card for you. And the energy this time is going to be dark. Oh, water. Okay, so we've got Steven's Carbink. I literally couldn't even make that out in the picture. Arvin Squabbit again. Relor again. Team Rocket's Grimer. Team Rocket's Murkrow. Barrascuda. Team Rocket's Watchtower. Could not read that backwards. Ooh. A back to front card. Which was Hydrapple. Team Rocket's Articuno, and Zeraora. Have you ever had a back to front card? That was interesting. I thought it was going to be something really special, but it wasn't. It was just a Hydrackle. But there you go. There were my first 4 packs of Destined Rivals. What I would consider 2 decent pulls. So good first impression from me. I hope that the availability of the set remains and that we can all get some more and enjoy. I will definitely be going back for more. So thanks for joining me. I will be back tomorrow with a brand new video, so make sure you stick around for that.